Hello students, today we are discussing a poem When Autumn Came by Faiz Ahmad Faiz. He is a renowned Urdu poet and he has been nominated 4 times for Nobel Prize. In this poem, When Autumn Came, Jetia Horodkal Ahisil, the autumn has been personified as a tyrant. Horodkalok Hokonkarir upor dekhua hoise. In general, we find beautiful descriptions, whether in photographs or in Kalidas or in even the songs of Dr. Bhupin Hazarika. Autumnok ami hoday huonir upor bornona koru, kintu iate ki hoise? Autumn has been personified as a tyrant. Personified means actually personification je ami kobitat pao je eta nirjeeb bostuk manuhor quality dia hoy. An inanimate object is attributed a humanly quality or humanly qualities, that is called personification. So autumn is a season, it is inanimate, but autumn has been given the human quality. Manuhe hon koribo pare, so human quality of exploiting others. So this is the way, coming to the text, this is the way that autumn came to the trees. Kobiye koise enikoi horodkal gosbilakole ahisil, as if autumn season is a dacoit entering a house for dacoity. Then dacoit ejon he humaise. This is the way that autumn came to the trees. It stripped them down to the skin, left their ebony bodies naked. It shook out their hearts, the yellow leaves. অর্থাৎ যেতিয়া হরৎকাল আহিছিল, it stripped them, it removed, them down to the skin. That means every branches, or become naked, because all of you know that in autumn seasons the leaves fall over the ground. The leaves become yellow colored or yellowish. Why? Because the leaves stop the food processing system in that period. So it stripped them down to the skin, left their ebony bodies naked. Ebony means the black trunk, woody stem of the tea. Naked. It shook out their hearts, the yellow leaves. So here is one rhetorical device, climax. In the first line it is skin, second it is body, third it is heart. Ami je ko manujone, the man has lost his dog, his property, his honor, his wife. Manujone kukur tu heruale, সম্পত্তি হেৰুৱালে, তেওঁৰ সন্মান হেৰুৱালে, ঘৈণীয়েকক হেৰুৱালে, লাহে লাহে ইম্পৰ্টেন্স টু এসেন্ডিং বেসড অন দ্য ইম্পৰ্টেন্সি. গতিকে ইয়াতেও প্ৰথম লাইনত কি স্কিনত আঘাত হৈছে, তাৰপিছত বডিত, তাৰপিছত হাৰ্টত আঘাত হৈছে গছবিলাকৰ. হিয়াৰ দ্য yellow leaves represent the poor, or the trees represent the poor working class, or the autumn represent the capitalist class, who exploit the poor people. Scattered them over the ground, so the yellow leaves fall into the ground one by one, in the autumn season. Anyone could trample them out of shape, undisturbed by a single moan of protest. Moan means a very slow mournful cry. When people crash those leaves, not a single voice is heard. Or look at the intensity of the oppression. How much the people are oppressed that they cannot even give a moan. Teoloke anki eta horu voice of protest koribo noare. The birds that herald dreams, aru tarpisot kobiye koise, the birds that herald means announces dreams, were exiled from their song. Actually the birds have to migrate in the autumn season. An thailoi gusi jabologia hoy. Hetuke yat symbolically kobiye koise. Actually birds are not dreamers. Actually revolutionists. Birds represent revolutionaries here. The social workers, the authors, the poets, and so on. So actually the poets are the physician of this globe. The artists are the physician of this globe. So তেওঁলোক হৈছে পৃথিৱীখনৰ ডক্টৰ, কবি হোক, যিকোনো শিল্পী হোক. So the birds that herald dreams, অৰ্থাৎ the revolutionaries যিবিলাক আছে, the revolutionaries, মই ক'বলৈ জানাই যে one artist must be revolutionary, অৰ্থাৎ ইয়াত revolutionary কথাহে মই কৈ আছো. The birds that or the revolutionaries, those bring a change to the society, they are not seen because of the intensity of the exploration. হকনৰ গভীৰতাৰ কাৰণে revolutionary বিলাক নোহোৱা হৈ গৈছে. Each voice torn out of its throat. The voice is separated from throat. They dropped into dust even before the hunter strung his bow. So এই লাইনটোৰ অৰ্থ they dropped into dust. Most of the birds migrate in the season of autumn, but still some birds remain. But those birds are so weak. বেছিভাগ চৰাই যদিও গুচি যায়, কিছুমান চৰাই শৰৎকালত থাকি যায়, কিন্তু সেই চৰাইবিলাকো ইমান দুৰ্বল হৈ যায় যে before the hunter strung his bow, they dropped into dust even before the hunter strung. Strung means এই যিটো ধনু লগোৱা, sting, ইয়াত past tense আছে. That means before the hunter put his arrow into his bow, the birds fall into the ground. If আৰু এটা meaning হ'ব পাৰে যে if the birds had been there, the hunter would have succeeded to kill them, but the birds have already migrated. কিন্তু most appropriate meaning যে প্ৰায়ভাগ চৰাই গুচি গৈছে, কিছুমান চৰাই আছে আৰু সেইবিলাকো খুব দুৰ্বল যে হান্টাৰে চিকাৰ কৰিবই নালাগে, সৰি পৰে. At last the poem ends in a positive note. O God of May, have mercy. The poet invokes, conjures the god of May, the spring season. Bless these withered bodies, these dry, decaying trees. Please bless them. Please fill the trees with leaf again. এনেকে কৈছে তাৰমানে. With the passion of your resurrection, make their dead veins flow with blood again. Resurrection means raised from the dead. That means coming to life, coming back to life again. So here the poet, hopes that again the trees will be filled up with leaves, and again the people will have equal right, equal freedom, or equal condition of living. Last duta line ase, give some tree the gift of green again. Gift of green means here green leaves, but here the environment, good environment, because here autumn has been personified as a tyrant, and autumn represents an environment full of tyranny, full of fear, and where there is the poor people are victimized. So let one bird sing, eta চৰাইক to গীত গাবলৈ দিয়া. So the intensity of the operation again. So this is the content or the summary of the poem. Already it is 7 minutes. I have to sum up. So this is the summary or the content of the poem actually, and there are many rhetorical devices, and we have to also discuss questions and answers. The whole poem is actually a metaphor of human life, and the atrocities upon the atom is one phase of that life. Gotti মানুহৰ জীৱনটোৰ এটা metaphor, indirect এটা comparison কবিতাটো. যেনেকে a tree has a season, এটা সময়ত গছডাল হেৰি হৈ গৈছে, কণ্ডিশ্যনটো বেয়া হৈ গৈছে, আকৌ যেতিয়া স্প্ৰিং আহিব. চ' জাষ্ট লাইক এ ট্ৰী হেজ এ ছিজন, এ মেন হেজ এ টাইম. শুকন যেতিয়া বাঢ়ি যাব, ৱেৰ দেয়াৰ ইজ পাৱাৰ দেয়াৰ ইজ ৰেজিষ্টেঞ্চ, এনেকুৱা বহুত কথাই তোমালোকে ডিছকাছ কৰিব পাৰিবা. চ' বেছিক হৈছে যে আটাম হেজ বিন পাৰ্চনিফাইড এজ এ টাইৰেণ্ট, এণ্ড দ্য বাৰ্ডছ এণ্ড দ্য লিভছ অফ দ্য ট্ৰিজ, য়েলো লিভছ, দে আৰ অল ৰিপ্ৰেজেণ্টিং দ্য পুৰ পিপল, দ্য ৱৰ্কিং ক্লাছ পিপল. And the intensity of the operation is very high, but the poem ends in a hopeful note. So thank you, see the video and try to capture the main content of the poem.